Let's be honest, job hunting feels like drowning in open tabs. You find a role, read the description, and wonder, do I even match this? Stop guessing. Just open Junting Orbit. It lives right in your side panel. Instantly, it reads the job for you. It gives you a fit score, checks ATS keywords, and it's smarter than a standard keyword search. It reads between the lines of the job description to understand the context of what they actually want, and even spots the green and red flags in the description. Hate writing cover letters? Me too. Just click one button, and boom, tailored, professional, ready to send. And it's not just for LinkedIn. Orbit works on Indeed, The Hub, and Seek, so you never lose track of a role again. The best part? It remembers everything. Check your history tab to see every job you viewed and exactly which ones you've already applied to. No more accidental double applications. Stop the chaos. Search smarter. Download Junting Orbit for free on the Chrome Web Store today.